Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide information that important for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And if you're a technical drawing student, I want to appreciate you for watching this video, and I want to tell you that you should subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students. And the important thing about this subject is that you need to practice it, because it's a practical subject. When you practice it, you will surely master it, and when you master it, you'll be able to solve any problem that comes your way when it comes to technical drawing. Now, the diagram that we have been on the screen is a question or is an example on engineering drawing 1 written by Pickup and Packer, and we are asked to solve these three problems. I've solved the first one, which is this. I've solved this one, the second one, and now I want to solve this. I want to show you how you can produce the orthographic views of this object in third angle projection as we are instructed here, which I've read in part 1 and also in part 2. Now, for this diagram that we have here, the figure is given in isometric projection, and then we want to produce the orthographic views in third angle projection of that. Now, let's talk about the dimensions of this object for us to know what we are going to do and how the views are to look. We're asked to draw the front elevation or the front view in direction of ROT, the plan following the front elevation, and also the end elevation or the end view in direction of ROS. Okay, now the total length from here to here is 80 millimeters. From here to here is 80 millimeters, and from here to here is 44 millimeters. The thickness of this thing is 12 millimeters as written here, and then the distance from here to here, distance from here to here for this thing that we have here is 10 millimeters. From here to here is 10 millimeters, and then the distance from here to here is 20 millimeters. It's 20 millimeters. From here to here is 20 millimeters, and the distance between the center, the horizontal center of this hole and this point is 10 millimeters. And we are told that the diameter of this circle is 12 millimeters and the radius of this curve is 20 millimeters. So those are the things that we are going to make use of for us to produce the front view, the plan, and the end elevation of this object in third angle orthographic projection. Now let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is that we are going to draw a horizontal line like this, and then we draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line, and for this object that we have here, the end view is going to be drawn here based on the direction of this arrow that we have here. So the end view will be here. So we are going to put the plan here, and then the front elevation will occupy this space. Now, first of all, I'm going to draw the plan. I've looked at the plan. The dimension, total distance from here to here is 44 millimeters, and the length of this rectangle, we are going to draw this rectangle. So the length from here to here is 80 millimeters. So, and then the thickness of this thing is 12 millimeters. Thickness of this also is 12 millimeters. So this circle will be hidden in the plan, and then each of these cuts that we have here, they will be hidden in the plan. So I'm going to show you how we are going to produce that. So first of all, we draw the rectangle in the plan. So we take a measurement of 44 millimeters here. So this is 44 millimeters. So let's get the center of that. So 44 by 2 will give us 22. So this is 22 millimeters here. So I will draw horizontal center line here at this point. I will draw horizontal center line. Okay. And then here I will draw horizontal line, complete horizontal line here, like this. Then I will come here, take a measurement of 80 millimeters from this point here, from here, take a measurement of 80 millimeters. This is 80 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line. And then, now, let's draw this shape that we have here. So in the plan, it will give us this surface is a rectangle. So it goes to the end. So from this center now, the thickness is 12 millimeters. So we are going to take 6 millimeters down and 6 millimeters up. So 6 millimeters down and 6 millimeters up. So this is 6 millimeters here, making 12 millimeters. So here we are going to draw a horizontal line from here. Okay, so we also draw it from here to here. All right, so and now, so let me bring out what we have done so far so that we will not be confused. So this rectangle I will have here, so I'll make this line a thick line, and I'll come down here, I'll make this line a thick line. So this line also, it will be a thick line from here to here, and this line will be a thick line from here to here, and also this line will be a thick line from here to here, and here also it will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, now, so the next thing that we are going to do is to so as we have here, so for this circle that we have here, so the distance from this center point to this point is 20 millimeters, which is the radius of this curve. So this time the radius from here to here is 20 millimeters. So we take that 20 millimeters. So we come to the center here. So we take 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters like this. So this 20 millimeters that we have here, so we are going to draw a vertical center line from here. So we draw a vertical center line. Okay, so we draw a vertical center line, and then now for this circle, this will be hidden. This will be hidden. So okay, so this will be hidden. But before that, I need to get this line. I need to get this line. So the distance from the center here to this point is also 20 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So from here to here, so this is 20. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. I'll draw a vertical line. So I'll just take it from here down. So I don't need to draw it up. So take it down. Sorry, oh, this is supposed to be a thin line. I'm supposed to use my red pen here. So I'm going to clean it. So this line, so I will leave this one like this as a thick line, but I will draw this line with a thin line down. Alright, so we have this. So the next is for me to get, so this hole, as I said, it will be hidden in this part in the plan. So the diameter is 12 millimeters, that means the radius is 6 millimeters. So I'll just come to the center line here. So I will take 6 millimeters to the left side and 6 millimeters to the right side. So this is it. So here I'm going to show it. Okay, first of all, let me draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line down, and here I will also draw a vertical line down here like this. But here in the plan it will be hidden. So I'm going to draw this with short dashes line. Okay, so here I will do the same thing, short dashes line. All right, so we are done with, okay, we are not done with the plan. We are not done with the plan. So there's something I need to do here. As I said, that there's a part that is hidden. So when we are looking at it, so like this, so this point will be hidden from us. So this point will be hidden. So this point will be hidden. It goes to the other side. So it's a part that is hidden, so it goes to the other side. So we are going to put it there. We are going to put it there. So let's put it there. So distance from this point to this point is 20 millimeters. From here to here is 20 millimeters. From here to this point is 20 millimeters. It's 20 millimeters. From here to here is 20 millimeters. From here to here is 20 millimeters. And this point here is at this point. And this is also at this point. This is also at this point. So all I need to do is to take 20 millimeters on this. So 20 millimeters. So from here, so I will take 20. So this is already 20. This line has given us that 20. And then the next is from here to here. Here we already have 20 to this point. And to here, here we have what? Here we have 20 to this point. So this is the point. So this I will draw. So here I will draw a vertical line like this. So this one is already there. So I'll just take this backward. So this goes up like this. And this has already been drawn. So all I need to do is to draw short dashes line on this part here. Okay, so here, so I will draw it here. Okay, and here also, so it takes over the vertical center line here. All right, so we are done with the plan. So next is we have to draw the front elevation. We have to draw the front elevation. So for the front elevation, we are looking at this surface like this, and also this surface like this. So distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. 20 millimeters. This is 10 from here to here, and this is 10. So, and then from this point up here, this will be okay, from here to here is 10, and from here to here, from the center here up here is 20 millimeters. That is 30. So first of all, I will come down here and I will draw a horizontal line from here to this side. Then I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters. So everything will be 50 millimeters. So I still need to draw this line. So I need to bring this line, I need to bring it down. So each of these lines, I need to bring them down like this. Okay. All right, so I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters from here down. Then I will take 10 millimeters. Then I will take 10 millimeters. I'll take another 10. So the rest is that 20 that we need. So here I will draw a horizontal line to this side. Here also I will draw a horizontal line. So here I will draw a horizontal line. So here I will draw a center line here. All right, so with what we have done here, so first of all, let us produce this shape like this. Let's produce this shape like this. So let's get this shape drawn. So what we need to do now is that, so this will be a thick line. So this will be a thick line, and then to this end, it will be a thick line from here to here. All right, so, and then, so as we have here, so this point is joined to this point where we have this 20. So that means this point will be joined. Okay, so from here, this will be joined to this. this will join to this, then we produce a vertical line down, and then this point will be joined to this, and then we draw a vertical line down, and this point will be joined with this. Okay, so it will join with this, then we draw a vertical line, and this will be joined to this point where we have that thing. So what I mean is this. So this point now, so we join this point, so we join this together with this. So here we draw a vertical line from here to here, and this point again will be joined to this point, so like this. Okay, and then here we draw a vertical line down, and this point will be joined with this point, and here we draw a vertical line, then we join this together with this. Okay, and then so we make this line, make it thick. All right, so I believe you can see what we have there. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, as we have that from here to here, so from here to here is a thick line, so which is 10 from, so where do we have this point? So if you look at it, this is the, we have this point here, so we have it here, this is the point. So it's going to be a thick line that is from here to here. We give us a thick line, and then we make this a thick line joining with this one. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw this circle. So we draw this circle whose radius is 6 millimeters. So that radius is a bit small, but what I'm going to do is that I will use my hand to draw it. So so I'll take 6 here, and then this is 6 millimeters. So here I will draw. So here I will draw horizontal line. So draw horizontal line like this, and here also I will draw horizontal line. Okay, so this 6 millimeters. Okay, let me try if the compass will work. If the compass will work. Alright, so the compass actually worked. So the compass worked. So this is it. So the compass worked. So I've drawn the circle. So the next one is to draw the curve. To draw the curve. So this curve. So we have to draw this curve like this. So I just put the pinpoint of my compass at the center here, and I will extend it to this point here. So extend it to this point. This is the point. Then I will draw an arc like this. Then I will take the arc to this side. So this is it. Alright, so we have generated that. Alright, so I need to make this thick from here to here to complete it. Okay, that is for the front elevation. So we have drawn the front elevation, and this is how it will look. Now let's go for the end elevation. Let's go for the end elevation. So just let me extend this line. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I will put the pinpoint on my compass. I will put my 45 degrees set square at this point here. At this point, so I move it here. Then I will draw a line at 45 degrees to the horizontal. So wherever this line touches the horizontal lines that will produce out of the plan, so we project it down. So we project this down. So here also we project this. So here, this is a center line, so I want to leave it as a center line. And then so we also draw this, and then we draw this like this. Okay, so let's see how the end elevation will look. So here we are going to have this rectangle like this. So we are going to have this rectangle like this. So we have this rectangle. So where do we have this point and this point? So coming down here, so this 10 here, distance from here to here is 10. So we are making use of this 10, this upper 10 here. That's what we are using. So we come up here. So we are going to see this line, this line, this line, and this shape will come out. So let's get that first. So this is, it is the distance from, here to here. Look at it. So I'm going to trace it. So coming from here down, this is the point, and from here down, this is the point. So, and I'm going to make this line. So I make this line a thick line. So this is a thick line from here to here. Okay. So and also, so I will draw it up to this point. So to this point here. So I will draw it up to this point, and here also I will draw this up to this point, and then so it will go like this from here to here, and this will also go like this from here to here. So for this thing that we have here, this point, so what we have here, so I will draw this line. This will be a thick line, and this will be a thick line. Then I'll make this a thick line to bring out that shape that I showed you. So this is it. So this shape that we have here is what I've generated here. All right. So and then so this is going to give us something like a rectangle. We are going to give us a rectangle. So this is it. So it is from this is the point. So this is it as we have here. So it will stand on this one. We stand on this one. So we just join this together with this, and then we join this together with this, and then this will be a thick line here. All right. So what about this circle that we have here? It will be hidden. It will be hidden from us, and this is the line. So from here to here, and from here to here. So we just make it with short dashes line. So this is it. And then down here, so we do the same thing. So this is it. All right. So I believe you are getting that. So the next is that now these things that we have here, this line that we have here, if I'm looking at it in this direction, I will see a line that goes from here down. It goes from here down. So, and this is the line. If you look at it, this point, so this is the line. If I'm looking at it like this, I will see that line. It goes down. So this is the line, and I'll just make this line. This line will be a thick line from here to here, and then so this will be a thick line from here to here, and this will be a thick line. So with what we have here, so I've drawn the end view in direction of ROS as we are instructed. All right, so this is the plan, this is the front elevation, and this is the end view. So all you need to do here is to practice. You have seen the way I did it, follow it, and then you will surely get it done. And I believe with what I have done, solving these 6 questions, 3 on page 52 and 3 on page 54, and there are other ones that I've done before, and I will still do more when it's come to orthographic projection. So you need to practice this, and then when you practice, you keep on mastering it. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, share my videos with your friends, and tell them that they should also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, and may God bless you.